Once upon a time in a bustling neighborhood, there was a young black boy named Malik. He had grown up in a close-knit community where neighbors were like family. Just a few houses down lived an Asian girl named May. From their first meeting, they forged an unbreakable bond that would transcend cultures and time. Malik and May spent their carefree childhood days exploring the local park, their laughter echoing from the swings to the slides. They chased each other through the vibrant streets, illuminating their world with radiant energy. Our beloved neighborhood marveled at their genuine friendship, a testament to unity and love. With the passing of time, as the friends grew older, their surroundings evolved. Society began to subtly divide them, labeling their differences instead of celebrating their sameness. Bullies emerged, sneering at Malik for his skin color and May for her heritage. However, the bond between these two heroes refused to falter. One evening, while seeking solace on the rooftop, Malik and May gazed at the twinkling stars. In that serene moment, the Ong-Will duo made a pact. They would use their shared passion for filmmaking to create a powerful video that would bridge the divide and inspire change in their community. Week after week, the determined friends dedicated themselves to their masterpiece. They chronicled their personal struggles with racism, discrimination, and prejudice, pouring their hearts into their creation. Like invisible ink on a hidden parchment, they revealed the strength, resiliency, and love that connected them. Finally, the day arrived when their video was ready for the world to witness. The entire community gathered in the local theater, anxious to watch the film that Malik and May had poured their souls into. As the lights dimmed, gasps of realization and tears of empathy filled the room. The video showcased the heartwarming journey of two indomitable spirits who overcame adversity. Their friendship transcended the narrow confines of prejudice, representing a beacon of hope for a harmonious future. The community, moved by the story, pledged to uplift one another, cherishing their differences and embracing their shared humanity. Malik and May's heartfelt creation rekindled the spirit of unity within their neighborhood, affecting change far beyond their expectations. Inspired by their unyielding friendship, people started seeing the world through a different lens, one focused on empathy and understanding. And so, their story flourished, teaching generations to celebrate love amidst diversity. Malik and May's video became a symbol of unity, reminding us all that true friendships know no color, no boundaries, and no limits.